How to use emoji in markup to safely censor pupil faces in photos. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you can either use built-in editors, or I will recommend using PicsArt because it's very easy. So you can simply download it from Play Store, or if you want to use any other photo editing app, you can also do that. So the basics are simple. You have to start by choosing your picture like this one here, and go for the text. In PicsArt you have to scroll to the right and click on the text. Now here you have to go for your emojis in the keyboard and select your desired emoji you want to go with. And once you are done, you have to simply squeeze and simply take it to that particular person's size. So my recording is blackout because of privacy of PicsArt. Once you are done, you have to simply click on done, and now you can simply save it as a JPG or whatever you want to go with. So that's how basically you can use emoji in markup to safely censor people faces in photos.